Shah Rukh Khan, the king of Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan, also known as SRK, is one of the most famous actors in India and around the world. People call him many names like the King of Bollywood, Badshah of Bollywood, and King Khan. He is loved by millions because of his acting, charm, hard work, and kindness. His journey from a normal boy in Delhi to a superstar in Mumbai is inspiring. Early life. Shah Rukh Khan was born on November 2, 1965, in New Delhi, India. He came from a middle-class family. His father, Mir Taj Muhammad Khan, was a freedom fighter and ran a business. His mother, Latif Fatima, was a magistrate and a kind woman. SRK was very close to both of them. He studied at St. Columba's School in Delhi. He was good in studies and sports. He later went to Hansraj College and then Jamia Millia Islamia to study mass communication. Sadly, he lost his father when he was just 15 and his mother later when he was in his 20s. These losses made him stronger and taught him the importance of family and hard work. Starting his career before entering movies, SRK worked in television. His first TV shows were Fauji and Circus. People noticed him because of his strong acting and expressive eyes. In 1992, he got his first Bollywood film, Deewana. It was a hit, and SRK became popular very quickly. What made him different was that he took on roles that were not always of a hero. He played villains in movies like Bazigar, Dar, and Anjam, and still, people loved him. He showed that actors could take risks and still win hearts. The romantic hero in the mid-1990s. Shah Rukh became the king of romance. His role as Raj in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, DDLJ, made him a superstar. That film became a classic. After that, he did many romantic films like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Dil Se, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, and Veer Zara. People, especially girls, loved his romantic style and sweet smile. A hardworking man. One of the best things about SRK is his hard work. He believes in giving 100% to whatever he does. Even after becoming rich and famous, he never stopped working hard. He is always trying to improve himself and learn new things. SRK often says that success has no shortcut. He works for long hours, reads scripts carefully, and practices his lines many times. He respects all kinds of work, and he treats everyone on set with kindness, whether they are directors or spot boys. Businessman and producer. Besides acting, SRK is also a smart businessman. He owns a production company called Red Chillies Entertainment. He has produced many successful movies. He also owns the Kolkata Knight Riders, KKR, cricket team in the Indian Premier League, IPL. Through his business skills, he has become one of the richest actors in the world. Kind and humble. Even with so much fame, Shah Rukh remains humble and down to earth. He respects his fans and always thanks them for their love. He gives money to charity and helps people in need. He believes that being kind is more important than being famous. He supports children's health and education through his foundation. He also helps with disaster relief and speaks out for women's rights and freedom of speech. A family man. SRK loves his family deeply. He married Gauri Khan in 1991, and they have 3 children, Aryan, Suhana, and Abram. He often says that his wife and children are his strength. He tries to keep his family away from the media and give them a normal life. He is a caring father and a loving husband. Challenges in life. Even though SRK is very successful, his life has not been easy. He faced many problems in his personal and professional life. He lost his parents early in life. Sometimes his movies failed at the box office. He also had health problems. like injuries during film shoots. But he never gave up. He always stood strong and kept moving forward. This never give up attitude is something people admire about him. Inspiring the world, Shah Rukh Khan is not just a movie star. He is an inspiration to millions. He teaches people to believe in dreams, to work hard, and to never give up. His speeches, like the one he gave at Yale University and TED Talks, are full of wisdom and humor. People around the world listen to him and feel motivated. Awards and achievements. SRK has won many awards in his career. He has received 14 Filmfare Awards and hundreds of other honors. He also received the Padma Shri from the Indian government, which is one of the highest civilian awards in India. He is also loved in many other countries and has won awards from France, the UK, and many international film festivals. Global popularity. Shah Rukh Khan is popular not just in India, but across the globe. People from countries like Germany, Egypt, Russia, and the US love his movies. His fan following is massive. In fact, many say he has more fans than most Hollywood stars. His global success shows how powerful Indian cinema has become. Conclusion. Shah Rukh Khan's character is built on kindness, hard work, talent, and strong values. He is more than just an actor, he is a role model, a dreamer, and a man who proves that anything is possible with passion and effort. From a small house in Delhi to the big screens of the world, his journey is like a beautiful movie full of struggle, love, and victory. He is truly the king of hearts.